Today, I'll show you how to add payment methods on Webflow. Whether you're setting up a new online store or upgrading your existing Webflow site, adding payment methods is a crucial step to start accepting transactions smoothly. Let's dive right in and make sure your customers have an easy checkout experience. First, open your web browser and go to webflow.com. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so with your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a list of your projects. Now, find the product where you want to add payment methods, hover over it, and you'll notice three dots appearing on the project card. Click on these three dots to open additional options for your site. Next, look towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll find the CMS option, which stands for Content Management System. Click on CMS to access various settings and features related to your site's content. This is where you can manage everything from blog posts to e-commerce functionalities. Once you're in the CMS area, focus on the e-commerce section. Click on the setup guide there. This will take you through the necessary steps to configure your online store. It's a useful guide that provides detailed instructions on setting up your store, and today we'll use it to integrate payment methods. As you scroll through the setup guide, keep an eye out for the section labeled Add Payment Provider. This is the part where we'll focus on connecting payment systems to your Webflow store. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see options to select your preferred payment provider. Webflow supports both Stripe and PayPal, two of the most commonly used payment platforms. Depending on your business needs and where your customers are located, choose either Stripe or PayPal. Stripe is known for its seamless integration and is a great choice if you want to accept credit cards directly on your site. On the other hand, PayPal is widely recognized and trusted by many customers around the world. If you're unsure which one to choose, consider setting up both to give your customers more options. After selecting your preferred payment provider, click the Connect button. This action will typically redirect you to the payment provider's website, where you'll need to log into your account or create one if you don't already have it. Follow the prompts to authorize Webflow to connect to your payment provider account. This process ensures that your Webflow store can securely process transactions. Once the connection is established and confirmed, you'll be redirected back to your Webflow project. At this point, your chosen payment method is successfully integrated into your store, and you're ready to start accepting payments from your customers. It's always a good idea to run a test transaction to ensure everything is set up correctly and functioning as expected. And there you have it. Adding payment methods on Webflow is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your online store's functionality. By offering secure and reliable payment options, you not only improve the customer experience, but also build trust and encourage more sales. If you have any questions or run into issues, Webflow support and community forums are excellent resources. Thanks for watching and happy selling.